Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to log into your FuboTV account without any issues. Whether you're using a web browser or the FuboTV app, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open FuboTV website or app. To begin, navigate to the FuboTV website by typing www.fubotv.com into your browser, or open the FuboTV app on your device. Step 2. Locate the login button. On the home page of the website or app, look for the login button. It is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click or tap on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you type your registered email address correctly. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 4. Turn on two-factor authentication, optional. If you have two-factor authentication enabled for your account, you will receive a verification code via email or text message. Enter the code in the provided field to continue. Step 5. Click the Login button. After entering your login information and verification code, if applicable, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your credentials. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any issues while logging in, double-check your email and password for any typos. You can also try clearing your browser cache or restarting the app. If problems persist, contact FuboTV customer support for further assistance. Step 7. Enjoy streaming. Once logged in, you can start watching your favorite shows, movies, and live sports on FuboTV. Explore the content available and make the most of your subscription. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.